Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Recorder and granting mic and storage permissions so the app can capture and save files. Choose recording language and quality in settings. This matters for transcription accuracy, then return to the main screen. Tap the red record button to begin. You'll see a waveform and timer that confirm input. While recording, keep the device steady and speak clearly. If you need a quick mark, tap the flag icon. It creates an instant reference point for later editing. Once you've captured audio, you manage the file using pause, resume, and stop controls. Flags help you mark important moments during long takes. After stopping, Google Recorder generates an automatic transcription. Tap the transcript to correct words, add punctuation, or adjust timestamps for accuracy. Use the trim tool to remove unwanted sections, rename the file for easy retrieval, and then choose Export to save audio or transcript. Make sure to export as WAV or text depending on your workflow, so sharing is straightforward. To finish, export your recording as audio or text. Open the file, tap Share, and select WAV, M4A, or TXT. Choose the destination app or cloud folder. Make sure you back up important sessions by enabling auto-sync or manually uploading to your drive. Before closing the app, confirm the file saved correctly and that timestamps match your notes. If things go wrong, check microphone permission, available storage, and install app updates. If problems persist, restart the phone and retry the export to resolve transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.